Our story begins with a journey to the heart of Ghana. The Akan people established great empires like Bono Manso and the Ashanti. Join us on a journey to explore the history of the Akan people. Discover the amazing history of the Akan people, from the great Ashanti Empire to their vibrant festivals. Join us on a journey through the history of the Akan people, celebrating their craftsmanship, resilience, and the enduring wisdom of their traditions. The Akan people built a golden age with rich traditions. Discover the golden history of the Akan people. From ancient clans and craftsmanship, explore the vibrant history of the Akan people, from the great Ashanti Empire to today's lively festivals.